Eric Mother, mother.com. What I would like to do here is add on to this playlist on YouTube on the FI breakout, because I think it's very important. If you consider that this video here, the first of the series of videos, was made in 2013 and we are close to 2016, so about 3 years later, let's take a look at how things have developed. What I'm trying to get at, nothing has changed. The stocks that are doing well in the market continue to show the same type of criteria, and this is by way of making sure that the stocks you are watching for a buy or maybe even for a sell, but let's concentrate here on the buy part, which is you want stocks whose RSI is moving the monthly RSI above 61.8, which is where we get this FI number. So RSI moving above 61.8, but the key, you'd like it as best as possible to be making an all-time high also on the RSI. So put another way, you want to find stocks or isolate stocks and sectors or maybe even markets that are breaking out on the monthly RSI for the first time above 61.8 on the monthly RSI. So if you can get a stock that is breaking out, making a move on the RSI, blasting above previous levels, and now for the first time ever it is also moving and punching through 61.8, these tend to be the best ideas ever. And I would also like to add that if it works for the way up, it should work for the way down. In other words, those of you who like to short stocks, if you can find stocks that are breaking down on the monthly RSI and moving their monthly RSI for the first time below 38.2, this is the best place to go short, because what you're going to see is see an implosion in price. In other words, a major drop in the price. So it works on either way. On the way up 61.8, on the way down 38.2. Keep in mind that 38.2 and 61.8, all these numbers are interchangeable. All right, so let's take a look at two live examples that did well for us. And the first one is KOLD as a way to short natural gas. But the key, what I'm talking about here, is you can see that the stock broke out, blasted above 61.8, hence why we were looking at this with interest. After many months of trying to break out, finally there was a breakout there, and you can see the explosion. The buy point was at about $87, and now it's trading over the last 4 months, has moved from 87 buy point all the way to the highs above $200. And also take a look at the performance for the sister stock that moves in step. Also broke out. 815 was the buy point, and since trading above 815 recently, over the last 3 months, the stock has gone to trade as high as 25 and change. The key here is the fact that we see that the stock had long broken out to all-time highs on the monthly RSI, and finally this momentum explosion began or was confirmed as the stock punched through 61.8 on its monthly RSI. Now on the two charts here, for DGAZ we are using the 3-year monthly, and KOLD, this is on a 3-year monthly. Let's take a look at the all data monthly, and you can see that all data monthly for KOLD, and you can see that this was an all-time high breakout, all-time high FI breakout, hence the stellar performance. And also we can see that if you take a look at DGAZ, obviously it has been trading at all-time highs on the monthly RSI, and hence the superior performance. So if you're looking for superior performance in your portfolio, you are well advised, or you should spend a lot of time trying to find stocks that are moving the monthly RSI for the first time ever above 61.8. That is the key. Eric Mwadit, mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.